বিল্ডিং ছাদের কাজে মালামালের পরিমাণ সহজ হিসাব। Please subscribe this channel for more videos. ছাদের কাজে মালামালের পরিমাণ। Area 60 into 40 is equal to 2400 square feet. Volume 2400 into 5 divided by 12 is equal to 1000 cubic feet. Dry volume 1000 into 1.5 is equal to 1500 cubic feet. 1:3:6 is equal to 10. Cement 1500 into 1 divided 10 is equal to 120 bag. 1 bag cement is equal to 1.25 cubic feet. 1 cubic feet is equal to 0.80 bag cement. Sand 1500 into 3 divided 10 is equal to 450 cubic feet. Khoa 1500 into 6 divided 10 is equal to 11,250 NOS. We can say 12.5 numbers of bricks required in 1 cubic feet. Required rod 2.2 kg per cubic feet. 1000 cubic feet into 1 divided 100 into 222 is equal to 2220 kg. Thanks for watching.